So we just ran into a bit of a problem. The gasket on the other throttle body won't be able to be used. We need a new gasket. We don't have a new gasket. We are just gonna get hold of Daryl Clown Performance to actually see if he has a gasket or if he has the gasket maker, so we can actually just make a gasket. I don't think I have any of that paper here, but let's quickly just see what we can do to make it work, because that other gasket is gonna break when removing it, so that's not gonna work. It's getting dark. Unfortunately we have to use gasket maker until we get time to actually get the other gasket. So Basil's gonna go out, Basil's gonna buy a new gasket, and then we're gonna clean everything up and put the gasket in there. But for now, we need to get the car driving, so we're gonna use gasket maker. Change of plans. We found the paper, so now we're gonna throw a gasket. Wat sê jy? Ek sien dit net die deur's oop. Niks. So we previously got a check engine light. We took the battery terminals off just to reset the system quickly and see if it does anything. If it doesn't come right, then we'll just get a hold of Daryl and hear what he says about it.
What's that, Daddy? What's that?
It's a
In-dash screen.
So yeah guys, there we go. That's it for today's video. So as you have seen, the J35 has been fitted. Just a bit of info on the J35. The throttle body's inlet is actually a 68mm inlet, and then the outlet is a 64.5, which is bigger than the standard one. The standard one is a 62mm outlet. I think the inlet is 62mm. I think the outlet is about a 63 maybe. That's just what I kind of picked up when we made the gasket. It seemed not that far off from the size of the J35. I know the J37 is way bigger, but that is a whole different throttle body. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. You can edit the Kurt's channel if you would like to see some more of the car, or if you have like to see the car's modless. You can check it out on Kurt's channel. There will probably be tuning the car sometime, just to make the throttle body work better with the motor, or just so he'll probably be tweaking a bit there. Obviously, the car's gonna get more air and stuff like that, so he will know what to do there with the map. So yeah, that's it for from my side. If you like the content, give the video a like. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't hit subscribe yet. So yeah, keep safe, look after yourself. Bye.